Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, it's an absolute delight to see you all here in Nantes today. My co-chair, Elisabeth Palix, and I are honored to welcome you to the ISFOG2025 Symposium. We hope you will have a memorable and enriching experience. We are extremely grateful to the Technical Committee on Offshore Geotechnics, TC209, of the ISSMGE, and especially to its president, Phil Watson, for entrusting us with the organization of this symposium. Phil will chair the next session, by the way. When we first conceived this initiative over 5 years ago, during the creation of the French mirror group of TC209, hosting this symposium in Nantes seemed like a good idea, realizing that it coincided with the 40th anniversary of our geotechnic centrifuge, made it an even better one. This is the 5th symposium in the series, initiated 20 years ago, and the second to take place in Europe, the continent where most of our participants come from. We are particularly proud to have provided many students with the opportunity to participate by offering low fees thanks to the support of our sponsors. This symposium is a great opportunity to bring together the talents of today and of tomorrow. 2 cruises are organized on the sidelines of the symposium. One is on the most beautiful river in France, according to King François I, which will take you to the gala dinner on Wednesday. The other cruise is at sea to approach the first French wind turbines on Friday. Please inform the reception of any changes as we are maintaining a waiting list. I heard about 64 people on the waiting list, so it's a long waiting list. In case of allergies, a ticket included in your badge should be placed at your seat near the glass. On Friday, a drop-off at the airport is possible. Please identify yourself at the reception. As you know, we have entered the digital age, including the organization of conferences. At the end of the presentations, you will have the opportunity to ask questions using a unique QR code. We have produced digital proceedings with the invaluable help of our fantastic team review editors. Each paper has undergone double peer review and is identified with a digital object identifier. The proceedings are available on the ISSMGE platform and via the link provided in the program. If there are any discrepancies, it is updated as much as possible. We have introduced a few new elements, such as starting the symposium with the Bright Spark lectures and proposing flash presentations in plenary sessions. Today, we are fortunate to have the use of this room 800, but tomorrow and Thursday, the plenary sessions will be held in room 450 with a live broadcast in room 200. Now, I will leave the mic to my colleague and friend, Elisabeth Palix.
Thank you. Before opening officially the symposium, we would like to thank the organizing committee, the scientific committee, editorial committee, helpers committee, PCO, and administrative colleagues of UNI-FL. A special thanks also is directed to our numerous sponsors that made this event possible, including Platinum sponsor Fugro, Gold Plus sponsor EDF Renewable, and Gold sponsor RINA, and all the other sponsors listed on this slide. To open the ISFOG 2025, we are honored to welcome Dr. Alain Puech, an internationally recognized scientific figure of the offshore geotechnical community, honorary member of the organization committee, former scientific director of Fugro France, an initiator of the French mirror group TC209. In homage to French culture, And theater, we have asked Dr. Alain Puech to strike les trois coups, the three blows, with a custom-made brigadier. Les trois coups symbolize the three essential elements of theater: the actor, the audience, and the story that is about to unfold.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, I declare the 5th International Symposium on Frontiers in Offshore Geotechnics officially open.